there's some proof that it was cold last night. And if you want to see whether I saw the elk, then you'll have to watch to the end. Yeah, I'm in Nordmarka, north of Oslo. I'm going to north of Bjørnsjøen. Well, it's time for breakfast. A well-deserved break. Time for chocolate. Need some energy. Probably not the most adventurous breakfast. A cinnamon ball in Norway is a must-have experience. Well, this is the good thing with a map and then one check where one are. Although I did good planning, I have to admit that I have gone the wrong way. So yeah, no problem for me to go and sleep somewhere here by Langley. More chocolate. Cooking chocolate is still chocolate. With hot chocolate. And my chocolate holiday. Yeah, this is what I came for. I managed to get the hammock up. Managed to find 2 trees. 2 trees. Well, dinner time. And first time I'm going to use my Firemaple, which is basically a cheap version of a jet boil. Water from the spring. Water in first so I don't burn my pot. We'll just fill it up. Definitely from the spring. Turn the gas up. There we go. Jeg har gryte fra Lars Monsen. It's boiling. Just turn it off for a second. Just give that Good stir. Add my noodles. Yeah, well, I'm not completely cocooned up yet, but I'm ready. I'm ready for the night. Yeah, it's about 10 o'clock now. Okay, good night. Morning. I had to sleep with my gloves on. As you can see, there is some frost on my bag, which I think confirms it got close to zero last night. So, the first night, how was it? Well, I fell asleep eventually. I had to get up 4 times. Very annoying. A little bit warmer when I get back. What can I say? Questions about the sleeping bag? Yeah, I wonder how they test it. How do they test comfortable at -8? Is it in a controlled environment? Is it in a tent? Is it in a hammock? Do they have the underquilt? Do they have a canopy? Do they have 10 layers of wool underwear? I've got wool socks and... So yeah, let's see if I can make hot chocolate in bed. That will be the bonus. If the water is still warm in the flask. See, but that's what happens. And everything is in bed. It's gonna happen again. Oops. There we go. Finally got it. This spoon was the closest. To catch that middle chocolate. Just don't have to lick the spoon. I must say the sun is a bit slow this morning. It's been light for a while. Well, time for breakfast. Very planned. Another cinnamon roll. Well, the breakfast is a bit frozen. It's a bit cold. Well, there's some proof that it was cold last night. There you go. Nah, doesn't work. Having some technical difficulty with automatic. Okay, that was me. See, for my guiding days, safari guide, I can tell you that these markings, they're for my elk. Hey. I think it was mission accomplished. Sun is shining, I didn't get wet. Enjoy the adventure. I hope you liked it too. Please subscribe, it's free. And yeah, give me a thumbs up, and then get out there, and I see you on my next adventure. And if you want to join me on a safari, my favorite destination is Namibia. Click on the link above. We see the Etosha, the Himba people, close there by the border of Ipupa Falls, close to Angola. If you're in Oslo for the day, you want to get to nature for a walk, a view that's overlooking the city, Vetakollen, that's in the link in above, sorry, the link below. And if you want to see the zebras biting each other, fighting for mating rights, it's a link down here. And up there, that's subscribe. Okay, that's me. Time to catch the bus onto my next adventure. Oh, has to be soon. So beautiful.